And
Just
I
want to
concur.
tell, like, since a long time, one tenant has to vacate the house.
Okay.
Might be around 10 years over or 15 years over. It is my last house, ma'am.
Okay.
But he has cleared the house now. Okay.
Congratulations.
For one more, I am doing it. I hope that result also I will give you
No
within
hopes here. No hopes
Hmm.
here. It's a command here.
But this what I am learning, I even telling to my husband. I told you, no, ma'am.
Right.
So he is at Visakhapatnam and I am at Hyderabad.
Okay.
But that tenant left, ma'am. Left today. Right? After some 15 years, you think over, or 20 years. My God, I don't know how much we worked out we couldn't do, but now just that oponopono, that paper
You
writing.
put the glass water and all that stuff.
Yes, yes.
Ah.
Ma'am. Every 1 hour I told him to change it. That one we did.
Excellent.
Then it
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Amazing. You did it. You made it.
Yes.
Congratulations,
Yes.
everybody. Please congratulate her. See, this is
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Really, it helped out, ma'am. Really, I'm telling.
I know.
We are so peaceful now.
I know. You know, my dear friends, we think everything we feel like it is impossible. The thought itself influences our reality. When we decide, when we conclude this is impossible, then it would never become possible. Everything is our own thoughts and feelings. With the Hooponopono, with the help of Hooponopono, anything is possible. You want to share, or you any doubt?
I have to share, ma'am.
Oh, then open. Yeah, this is open now. Yes, tell me. So you're looking
I
beautiful.
shared with you in the morning batch also, but just I wanted to share with my English friends here in this group. So
Please.
actually, friends, what has happened that we along my sister-in-law, my co-sister came on Sunday, and we went for shopping for her because she got a new job. She wanted to buy some clothes. So my husband also told me that okay, if you also want to buy something, just take it. So I said no, nothing is not needed, anything right now. I'm good. But he himself picked a spring jacket for me, which was $100, and he purchased it from me. And he told, "Okay, take it." And then when we went to the cash counter, it came at a discounted rate for $60. So that was my receiving this Sunday. Yeah.
Excellent, beautiful, Vardhini. It's so great, beautiful, amazing. See, you start receiving gifts, like, unexpected gifts. It's not prepared.
Yeah, hi, ma'am.
And yes,
I will share.
Hey,
Yeah.
Really, one second. Bipasha ji, you want to share? Do you want to share? I read out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I want to share.
After Bipasha ji, because I saw her hand in the beginning. Yes, Bipasha ji, please share. Yes.
I can see a few things, like, I am able to connect to my inner child now.
Okay.
Yesterday, I was doing some work,
and
it was not happening. Then I was like, come on, tell me, my inner child, what to do. What to do. And literally, I was sitting till 12 o'clock at night. I was stuck with some coding and all. And ultimately, around 11:47 or something, I could do it. It just gave me the answer.
Just like that. Pops.
Just like that. It gave me the answer. It was popping up the answer like that. Excellent. It was like I could connect actually. And before also, when I was writing this paper, 5 sheets that you told us, 6 sheets.
Right.
So then I was in the previous class also. This is the second time I've joined your class.
Yeah, I know.
So for the second time when I was writing, I don't know how and where it came up suddenly automatically to me that in the sheet, in the fourth sheet where we write the names of all the people.
Okay.
For forgiving in this.
Okay.
Somewhere it just blinked to me that why are you not writing your parents' name? You need to.
Wow.
And I've literally written it there. It's somewhere it just automatically came up that why you're not writing your father's name over here.
Beautiful.
It needs to be.
Excellent. Beautiful. Amazing.
I have just written it down.
Doubts, I'll clarify 1 second, because there is a class after that. I'll ask the doubts. Okay, beautiful. Yes. Kalyani ji, you want to share anything quickly?
Yeah,
Because
ma'am.
already
Yes.
late and class
Today
is.
I got 3 miracles.
Okay, please. It faster.
Yeah, one is
Look
one
at that.
is I got 3,700 vouchers from my friend.
Money, beautiful.
Yes,
Uh,
money. And before 1 week, you started our class.
mhm.
And that time I purchased something in one shop.
Mhm.
And that time I forgot to take the double tape,
Okay.
but I pay the money.
Okay.
Today I will go and ask to Akka. She doesn't ask anything. She will give that tape.
Yeah, she gave you that double tape. Wonderful, amazing, great.
And
Forgot, but still
one
forgot.
more special thing for me. After 9 months, I'm going to meet my father.
Really? That's amazing.
Yes, it's a
Amazing.
very amazing thing for me.
Because you're doing eraser technique, right, your dad?
Yes, actually, we are staying in another area. My father and mother staying in another state.
Okay.
So I'm so happy about that. My
Yes, I
mother
know.
called me before half
Relationship
an
is
hour only.
everything.
Your
Beautiful.
father was coming to 7th or 8th.
Excellent.
I'm so
Congratulations. This is
happy.
the bigger one. This is the bigger one.
Yes, this is
Love you. Love you. Yes, sir. Radhika ji, you want to share anything? Quickly, little quickly. Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yay. Hello. Beautiful. Radha ji. Beautiful.
Yeah, I have so many things.
I know. You are the miracle bag. But say it quickly. Oh, what is that?
I got iPhone 14 Plus. My elder daughter gave it to me gift
iPhone
for
14 plus.
my birthday. September 30th is my birthday.
Oh.
That is Saturday. That's why I didn't told in the group.
Oh, congratulations. Look at that.
And
She is the gift receiver. Yeah.
I am creating book. I am in my younger daughter's home. I just wrote, I have the children celebrate good party, my birthday party.
Okay.
Everybody came, all gave wishes and gifts. And what did I wrote? Everything correct. It's done
look
only.
at that. Whatever she has written in her creation book became the reality.
Yeah. One more final that thing, my son-in-law, till morning to evening, he didn't wish me. After that, I take him photo. I do 108 times Hooponopono. After within half an hour, 1 hour before, he wished me.
Look at bigger one. How are you feeling, Radhika ji, about this? I want this. Amazing, right?
తెలుగులో చెప్తాను
చెప్పండి.
నాకు ఎన్నో కోట్ల మనీ వచ్చిందంత హ్యాపీ.
Yeah, she felt even much more than the crores of money she has received. That is important. Relationship is much bigger than money. Remember me. Believe me. This is true.
This trip is amazing. Means amazing. Just some 3 months only. I am staying in US. I am going to India this month end 27th.
Okay.
This trip is memorable trip in my life.
This trip is memorable
because I am joining this class.
Oh, because she
Vardini madam.
Thank you.
I love you, madam. Thank you so much. I love you.
Love you because you are doing. Those who are doing will create miracles like that. 14 iPhone. I like it.
That also red one, ma'am.
Red one. Red is abundance. Beautiful. Amazing. Great. Yes,
the first day yesterday Krishna music is there, no? Early morning 4 o'clock I wake up and I saw the phone. The Prashant Garu send the link. Please join.
Oh, look at that.
That's why I joined early morning. No, I put the earpods and listen and bed only. Listen, I don't know what happened. I go to the, I don't know, meditate. And in that meditate, you came my house. I asking, oh, madam, why you came? Who gave your gate pass? I am everything I am talking to you. You told Radhaji, you listen the class. You don't worry. I'm asking, take some coffee, take some tea. No, don't worry. You first sit and listen the class. After that, class, I saw the puja room. Everything is tulsi mala, flowers, colorful flowers, decorate and show the God.
Get that. As I told you, the reality is that because the subconscious mind is taking to the reality of all like Tulasi Mala. Tulasi Mala is nothing.
Yeah. After that class is ending, I wake up. I am crying.
Crying. Congratulations, a lot of healing, so much of healing. Beautiful, amazing. Thank you,
Thank you.
Radhaji.
Thank you so much, Vardhani ma'am. Thank you. I love you.
I love really, I love you. Yes, my dear friends. Swapna ji is there. I'll take later. Swapna ji, if it is not so important, we can share tomorrow as well. Swapna ji, is that okay?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, thank you.
One thing I want to share, madam, please.
Okay, share. Look at this. I love this energy. Yes.
My brother gifted me a purse, madam. We had a big fight few months back.
Okay.
He presented me a purse.
Congratulations. You are doing Hooponopono for him, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You are like a sunlight to us. You are giving us warmth. Thank you very much.
You are
an angel.
Yes, you are all, my dear friends, because of you only, this energy will spread all over the world. I'm telling you. How many of you? Yes, my butterfly. Anita ji is my butterfly. I gave her a name. I don't know. Whenever she claps and smiles, looks like butterfly is fluttering like that. So beautiful.